পদকমল শ্রী গুরুং বৈষ্ণবাংশ্চ শ্রীরূপং সাগ্রজাতং সহগণ রঘুনাথমিতং তং সজীবং সাদ্বৈতং সাবধূতং পরিজনসহিতং কৃষ্ণচৈতন্যদেবং শ্রীরাধা কৃষ্ণপাদা সহগণললিতা বিশাখাতমিশ্চ ভজ শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম রাম রাम हरे हरे. All glories to Sri Guru and Gaurang. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Harinam Chintan. All glories, all glories. Let me check the questions. Looks like no questions. No, no question, looks like no question. Harinam Chintamani. Turn off video. Then Harinam Chintamani. Okay, so text number 47, 48? 47. सही सब कर्म भोगो नहीं तत्म शांति. We read yesterday, right? ताहातेओ प्रश्रय करो अतिशय भ्रांति. That we read, since material enjoyment never bring peace to the soul, any effort to seek them out is tremendous errors. Atishay Bhranti, tremendous error. সেই সব শুদ্ধ কর্ম উপায় হইয়া অনিত্য উপায় সাধে লোক সুখ দিয়া। সেই সব শুদ্ধ কর্ম, whatever karma, payas karma, upaya hoiya. People are thinking that is our way to reach, to attain the spiritual goal. Anitya upaya. Upaya means anitya upaya. Anitya means temporarily. That benefit sadhe loko sukho diya. Instead of loko means people happiness. Like there is a word, feeding poor people. People are thinking that is most beneficial. This is actually public opinion like that. Most beneficial, who is really hungry, please feed them. That is the best. Lord will happy. They become happy, Lord become happy. That is the conception. Therefore, you can see, sometime Modi also says, Daridra Narayana Shiva. It's a Narayan is a Naro Oyan, shelter of human being. So who is shelter of human being, Narayan? How he can be Daridra, poor? Daridra means poor. Daridra Narayan. Narayan never become Daridra, means never become poor, always rich, because he is the opulence, master of opulence. Vaikuntha opulence. Narayan staying upon Vaikuntha. But this is a wrong conception. That is not bad, this is good. But this is not ultimate. Ultimate is to please Lord. It is also pleasing Lord, maybe. But most easiest way to pleasing Lord in this age of deception, just to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Why? Because you are feeding once or twice. Digestion after 4-5 hours, he become again hungry. Are you able to feed him again? So your generosity, only the duration of generosity is only 4-5 hours. Anyway, let me see what they say. One who thinks that pious work are the means to happiness should know that their end is flickering worldly pleasure, nothing more. Worldly happiness includes the comparatively longer, though still temporary, pleasure of heaven. Spiritual happiness is based on completely different principles. My question is this, like I think I explained before, worldly people and material people, if we do anything in their favor, they are always happy and they are giving blessings, right? What blessings they will give? Yes, materially comfortable life. This is heavenly. Even I saw my, old, village old lady, grandmother type, grandfather type. When you go any places, when you're living for Calcutta, they say Dugga. Bengali tradition, old lady, who has no understanding about Krishna, no understanding about Hare Krishna Mahamantra's benefit, they are always pronouncing this word Durga, Durga. Durga means Durga. Durga Devi. Who is Durga Devi? Who is Durga Devi? Just to think about. Brahma says, Srishti Sthiti Pralaya Sadhana Sakti Reka Chayeva Jasya Bhuvanani Vibhuriti Durga Chayeva Jasya Bhuvanani Vibhuriti Durga Ichhanurupam api jasya cheshtatesa. So Durga is according to the desire or will of Supreme Lord. She is creating, she is maintaining, she is devastating, destroying. She is not able to do anything independently according to this Lord's desire. Actually, they are real servant of Lord. Therefore, by all Vaishnava, they are considering Durga is a great Vaishnavi. Even Jammu, Vaishnavi, who is, what murti is that? Dasha, 10 hand or 8 hand? 8 hand. 8, but in Bengal, you can see Durga Devi has 8 arms. The logic is this, the 10 directions in this universe, in this world. East, west, north, south, then the 4 corners, 8, urdhva, ardha, means up and down. 10 directions. Their conception, their explanation that 10 hands, Durga Devi has 10 weapons. Anybody unable to escape from these living entities, from this world, any living entity is unable to escape from this material world, if they are not pleasing her Lord Krishna. If living entities not pleasing with their each activities to Durga Devi's Lord Krishna, so she never allow anyone to leave this material world. So 10 arms have 10 weapons. So accordingly, she is trying to make them remind, hey, this world belongs to my Lord. Durga Devi is trying to make them understand, this world belongs to my Lord. You are enjoying everything here. Vayudev, by whose order he is giving oxygen. All the reciprocation, trees exhaling oxygen, inhaling carbon dioxide. All we are inhaling oxygen, exhaling carbon dioxide. This reciprocation is established. Who? No any scientist is established. Everything made established by Lord. Agni Dev, Surya Dev, Sun God, everything belongs to Lord. So you enjoy everything. So you are not doing anything for my Lord. So you cannot go. There is a history in Bhagavatam, Purana, that Surat Raja, King Surat, in order to please Durga Devi, he sacrificed 100,000 goat in the name of Durga. When King Surat physically passed away, then there is all the goat with gigantic form, giant type, ugly face with katar, What is the English called kata? Katan? Axe. Axe is not axe. Axe. Can you any axe? Really? Okay, anyway. It's a katar or axe. They are standing. Hey, Surat, stop. Then Surat become confused. Who is there? Yes, you sacrifice. When we are in goat, you sacrifice all of us. Now we have to sacrifice you. And that's it. Yeah, we have to sacrifice you. Why? Yes, so you have to born here. Again, goat form, we will sacrifice 100,000 times. Then Surat, confused and prayed to Durga Devi. Ask Durga Devi, Mother, I do everything for your satisfaction. So Durga Devi replied, I never tell you this is my satisfaction to sacrifice me. That is your mind concoction. Your mind concoction. So, your karma fall, but your karma's consequence you have to get. I cannot do anything. Then he requests, Mother, please do something. 100,000 times. If I take bath, goat form, it is too much time. Do something. Then he said, okay, I can do one thing on your behalf, for your benefit. They will together sacrifice you. But total pain, 100,000 times the sacrifice individually, how much pain, if you accumulate that pain, that time you have to suffer. So Surat Raja, in that way, he became goat form, and together they sacrifice 12 years. My Gurudev used to say 12 years. He was just, out of pain. His body was shaking. It's a karma. Karma's consequence will not allow us to be free. Karma's consequence we have to suffer. Therefore, we may do so many things, worldly, locally, whatever their understanding about pious karma. Like, once I went to Mumbai. It was the day for Ganesh Puja. A huge procession, huge festivity. I become surprised. Looks like our Bengal Durga Puja. Bengali Durga Puja. If you go there, almost 15 days, no one work. Just like nowadays, atmosphere different. In the name of puja, they are drinking wine. Before it was not like that. Before, I remember when I was student, actually primary student. That time from school, they teach us Ramayana, drama with Ramayana. Ravana, Ramchandra, Hanuman, Lakshman expired, then Vishallakarani tree, Hanuman went there. So all those I learned from there that time. Ramayana, that time in school, the Durga Puja time, because of Durga Puja, Ramchandra worshipping Durga, such a Akal Bodham. Akal Bodham means Durga Puja actual time is this Vasantakal, means spring time. But Bengal Durga Puja is not spring time, it is autumn time. Right? Yeah, late autumn or autumn time. autumn. So it is called Akal, means not proper time. Unusual time they are observing, because the Durga Puja, 4th day is Dasami. Dasami day, 4th day of Durga Puja in Bengal, that is called Dasami. Dasami day, Ramchandra killed Ravana. Then after that, he appointed Vibhishan to be king of the Lanka. So the different ritual things he made. Then Sita Devi's Agni Parikha and fire testing. Actually, real Sita, Ramchandra kept with Agni Devi, fire god. The shadow Sita, Chaya Sita, shadow Sita, Ramchandra kept with him. So Ravana kidnapped that Chaya Sita, shadow Sita. So in order to switch, shadow Sita, Agnidev will accept, and in the eye of public, Sita's Agni Parikha, testing, Sita's purity testing. She was more than 1 month, she was in Asok forest, Asok bone. So therefore he gave fire, Agnidev gave real Sita to Ramchandra. It is the actual fact. And after that, when he returned to Ayodhya, it was the day of Diwali. Right? Diwali means like that. Ramchandra coming from exile after conquering Ravana, and when he entered to Ayodhya, that time everybody greeting Ramchandra with lamp. Ghee lamp, right? So ghee lamp. But now it is candle. Everybody offering candle, but that time was no candle. Candle is impure. Fact is candle impure. Better to offer that ghee lamp. This is Shuddha, pure. That is actual fact. So therefore, that period of time, our, these teachers, primary teachers, they are preparing us who will be perfect role, Hanuman, who will be perfect role of Ramchandra, that they choose, accordingly they make us play. The 4 days we used to play. It's actually evening time we have to play. Now the culture gone, all culture finished. I have seen that now drinking wine, everything. It's not like culture. Anyway, this is all the wildly, all the karma, like fire sacrifice, different puja for our material benefit. This is all worldly class. So temporary benefit, because Krishna, whatever we want, Krishna always gives us, allow us to give, and allow us to get. When I allow all the God and Goddess to give them, okay, give. You want this benefit, material benefit, okay, give him. But all temporary. When pious karmas, benefit finish, then again come back. It's not eternal. Therefore, sei savo shubha karma, upayo hayya. Shubha karma, what we consider as shubha means auspicious karma. Upaya hayya, we are thinking this is the way to attain our goal. Anitya, temporary. Upayo sadhe. Anitya upayo sadhe. Sadhe means they are praying that anitya upayo, that anitya temporary benefit. Loko sukho diya. Loko sukho diya. Loko means people, sukh means happiness. That's actually pleasure, worldly. Actually, their end is flickering worldly pleasure, nothing more. Worldly pleasure. Just like you can see what we are doing now here. Everybody, they are running behind for this temporary benefit, worldly benefit. Most people, they are not thinking about this eternal benefit. Eternal benefit. Like a political leader, you can see, their only one goal to keep the chair. For the chair, they can do anything. They can speak lie. They can do even they can kill you. If you are the obstacle, they can kill you. No logic. So how to be delivered from these conditions? This is next. Kohu jodi sadhu sango janite se para pare. Sadhu sango janite se pare. And how to be delivered from these conditions? It is such a understanding. Material benefit. How we can be delivered? Who can make us understand sadhu sangha? Therefore, kabhu jodi. Kabhu means, in Bengal, kabhu means in any way, if person gets sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha is not easy to get it. We may see so many sadhu, but we are not feeling attachment with the sadhu. When we feel attachment, when a sukriti accumulate and condense in the form of shraddha, faith. Do you understand what it says? Sukriti means devotional pious credit or spiritual pious credit. So spiritual pious credit accumulated every day. I think one day I explained that you in your previous life you make big house, that time you are not devotee, but your next generation become devotee. They are hosting so many sadhu in your home, what you made by with your hard work. Although you are not in that body, which body you earn money and construct the building, but you are in another form, another body, but still you are accumulating the pious and spiritual pious credit. And then when this is too much accumulating, then it's condensed form, it's called shraddha. When shraddha, faith is there, then we can feel inspiration to get the association of sadhu. My spiritual master, he got the association of sadhu, Bhakti Ratna Thakur. Whole family, even the whole village, they don't know about the Bhakti Ratna Thakur's value, spiritual value. But somehow or other, my spiritual master, since a childhood, he got association of, when he was relishing the association of Bhakti Ratna Thakur. And therefore, from his childhood, he met Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Even he met Bipin Bihari Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Gurudev, Bipin Bihari Goswami. Yeah. In diary, when I opened, then I look, everything is there. 1912, he came to see Bhaktivinoda Thakur. See Calcutta, came to Calcutta at Bhakti Bhavan, where Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to stay. There he met Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Same day he met also, his diary noted that. Same day he also visited Bhaktivinoda Thakur Gurudev, Bipin Bihari Goswami. So since his childhood, it seems like he is actually spiritual descendant of Lord Chaitanya. If you think about, since his childhood, his entire family, they are not Vaishnava, but they are rigid Brahmin. But since his childhood, he has spontaneous attachment with sadhu. That is the actually symptom that person had previous life. He has so much pious, spiritual pious credit, you can say. That person since childhood has so sadhu sangha means feeling attachment to get sadhu sangha. We need shraddha. Shraddha means so much devotional pious credit. Devotional pious credit means devotional sukriti. If we have, then we can feel shraddha. Otherwise not. It's very difficult. So many sadhus surrounding them, surrounding us. You can see one person giving discourses, maybe in front of 10,000 people. We are not expecting everybody coming here for devotional purpose. A different purpose they are coming. I can give an example. Although it is like a joking, but it is fact. I heard from Santa Goswami Maharaj. There is a village program. Village means village pandal program. And the pandal program, Bhakti Kumud Santa Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vilas Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and several others. And Bhakti Vilas Bharati Goswami Maharaj is a lecture. When he gets microphone, he doesn't want to leave. He don't care. Therefore, all the Godfather give him the last to speak. So when he giving lecture, when he giving discourses, everybody gone, almost gone. Only one old lady sitting there. Old lady sitting there. And full of tears. Maharaj giving lecture and full of tears. So there, at the end of the discourses, still that lady was sitting and crying. Then Santa Goswami Maharaj, out of curiosity, come to her and ask, Mother, why you are crying? Then that old lady replied, I had a sea goat, sea goat means woman goat, recently expired. That beard, woman goat beard, and the sadhu's beard, same. So I am crying for that. My goat. I have separation for that goat. Different people. Like I was in the Vishnambar arranged program in Bangladesh. In his territory, almost 4,000 people gathered. That program. They want to listen my katha. So they choose me to speak in the middle. So they are all sitting for me. As soon as my kotha finish, 75% people gone. Then Sadhu Maharaj, old, the local people, they choose Sadhu Maharaj to speak. Because when Sadhu Maharaj is speaking, there is no link. He is speaking, then only few people sitting there. All their pandal, they are waiting to get pandal out. The next speaker was Mukul Babu. Mukul, we call Mukul Mitra, local industrialist. He says, Maharaj, why you bring Sadhu Maharaj here? He is speaking, each discourse is unable to understand anyone. So they all the left, only pandal people are there. It's therefore I don't want to speak. Anyway, that's a joking, Different people coming. But who is coming with Shraddha? Really what Sadhu want to say is very rare. Sadhu Sangha means not to like that, no. Kabu jodi sadhu sange janite se pare. Sadhu will give us the proper message. The message is this: what is good for us, real beneficial, real benefit, where we can get it. Sadhu will speak. If someone say, Maharaj, if there's someone asking me, Maharaj, someone telling, so our family priest telling me, worshipping Kali Puja, sacrificing goat, then I can fulfill my desires, such and such. So what I will do? I will appreciate. Definitely not. I can say like this, okay, your family priest say, so you can do it, but Vidhi Purva. Vidhi means, first you worship Krishna, then Krishna's prasadam you can worship, you can offer to Kali, Mother Kali. That is Vidhi Purva, but no question of God. Why? I will give the logic. Who is Kali? Who is Durga? Worldly people say this, they are Jagat Mata, universal mother. So universal mother, if you consider, then that goat to whom you are going to sacrifice in her name, do you think she will be happy to sacrifice mother's children in front of mother? Just to logically think about that. Any mother in front of the mother, any mother, if you slap to her children, what they will think about you? And if you chop their head, what they will do against you? So how you are, with logic that priest say, I will say like this, which logic your priest say to sacrifice goat? No, you cannot do that. That it will be my opinion for the devotee. I will not appreciate. But I will appreciate Kali Puja, Vidhi Purva. That sadhu always speak. Sadhu, if I am sadhu, though I am not sadhu, I am pretending sadhu. But if any sadhu, they don't want to misrepresent bhakti. They always giving proper, logical, authentic instruction. Authentic instruction means as per Shastra. If anyone come to me, I always telling the best benefit of this present time, this present Kali Yuga time, attentively chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This is my opinion for everyone. Even your bad planet or good planet, but chant attentively. Maybe like Rahu's influence. Astrologers will say, okay, give him Gomed. One stone name is Gomed. That will less influence of Rahu. That will give less influence of Rahu's. Rahu's vision make people naughty. Always wrong decision they will take. They will be a crazy type. But if you real astrologer, they always say, Lord's name is the best stone. It will work 100%. Our stone will work 5 to 10%. This is fact. Nowadays you can see so many people are doing ring. Even I saw few sannyasis, 8 fingers, 8 rings are there, maybe 10 rings are there. I cannot understand. We are taking shelter of ultimate controller who is controlling entire world, all the planet, all the star, all the bad influence, God and goddesses controlled by him. Because everybody coming from him. Therefore Brahma explained, Anadi Radi Govinda, Sarva Karana Karam, he the cause of the causes. So we are taking shelter of that Lord. Why we are? That means we have lack of faith. Of course, I am not ignoring the stone which works. Stone is working, but 5 to 10. If it's a real stone, 10%, a fake stone, half, then you have 2%, 5% work. But attentively chanting, people just sit in the early morning in front of Tulsi plant, with keeping one ghee lamp and putting one incense and chant attentively in front of Tulsi, it will work 100%. 100% stone will work. That Harinam stone. So Rahu influence will less. We are not able to do that anyway. Kahu jodi sadhu sange janite se pare, ami jiva Krishna dasho. I am living entities. My eternal identity is Krishna das, servant of Krishna. Jaha maya pade. All surrounding maya. Please read the meaning of this. If through the association of the saintly, one at any time comes to know that he is a spiritual being and Krishna's eternal servant, he transcends Maya's illusion. Transcendent means he delivers illusionary energy, will not affect it. Therefore, Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Sadhu Sangha Sarva Shastra Koi. All Shastras say association of sadhu. Then, next line, Love Matra Sadhu Sangha Sarva Chit. Love means 1 second if you divide it 11 times. Actually, my spiritual teacher says 11.25 time. 11.25 time, if you divide it 1 second, whatever portion, that is called their love. Very tiny. Divided. A tiny, a fraction of second. Fraction of second, if you just get association of sadhu means whatever sadhu says, you just listen, remember and follow. That is association. To see is not association. Most important, to feel faith. Without faith, we cannot get sadhu's association. Therefore, you can see the stage like Ado Shraddha, first Shraddha, Tatha Sadhu Sangha, then association sadhu. Otherwise, we can meet so many sadhus. Who is Shraddha, then they can become sadhu. This is fact, 1993, I wrote this in the Guru Maharaj biography. 1993, how our Ramdas will choose our Gurudev. He doesn't know Gurudev at all. He was sitting in the Mahesh cloth store, Loi Bazaar. I took Gurudev, myself, Ramhari Prabhu, this Khadir Bon, Ramhari Prabhu, and Gurudev, three were in the car, taking him from Govinda Mandir to Shamsundar Mandir in auto, auto rickshaw. I am sitting just beside Gurudev. Mahesh knew about me, and Mahesh knew about Gurudev because Mahesh went to Chaitanya Gaudiya Math with Ramesh. Ramesh took initiation from Gurudev. So anyway, so Ramesh knew. Then Ramdas was sitting. I don't know anything about him. So I asked him when he took me to the Hawaii, and he has a very beautiful home in Hawaii, Waipio Valley house. In between fruits garden, he has a nice palace style house. No one staying there. Only he's going there, and when he goes there, he stays there. So once Radhanand Maharaj and me, together we went there and stay one night over there. At that time, actually, at that time, about 1999, no? 1999, in October, I went there. Guru Maharaj is physically still alive. And I asked him, Prabhu, how you come and contact with Gurudev? How you feel inspiration? Then he gave this nice dramatical explanation, dramatical explanation. In this way he says like that. I was sitting in the Loi Bazaar Mahesh cloth store. Then I saw in the auto rickshaw, very old, one sannyasi, a fulgent form. Besides that sannyasi, one very young sannyasi, both sannyasi there. So I had curiosity to know who is that sannyasi. Then he says, I asked Mahesh. Mahesh replied, everybody know about Puri Maharaj. Then he asked him where he stayed. Then he says, Badamat means Mathura Road, Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. So accordingly, he just took, he doesn't know anybody there, Gaudiya Math. So he took Paramadvaiti Maharaj with him, Tripurari Maharaj with him, and went there. Vishnu Maharaj with him, and went to meet with Gurudev. Then I remember how he approached to take initiation. Then I asked him, why you want to take initiation from him? You don't know him. Looks like you are from ISKCON. Then he said, no, I am not from ISKCON. Then I spoke with my Gurudev. I told him, come next day. Then I'll talk to my Gurudev. Tonight I'll speak to my Gurudev. Then if you agree, then everything fine. Can have initiation. Gurudev always trying to say, make sure he is not from ISKCON. In this advantage, I'm 95-year-old now. I don't like to involve in any kind of any politics myself. Then I ask him, are you sure you are not from ISKCON? Oh, no, I never. Then okay, take initiation. The Rasha Purnima day, 1993, he took initiation from our Gurudev, Chaitanya Gauriya Math. So this is the fact. They said, as soon as I saw that, he said, I saw that effulgent form, my internal desire to take initiation other, because I came to India with that purpose for getting initiation. But other acharya, but all the acharya aside now, my focus was there, I have to reach it. Therefore I went, I was searching ISKCON devotees, then I find out Paramadvaiti Maharaj, Tripurari Maharaj, Narsingh Maharaj, Bhakti Gauram Narsingh Maharaj, Vishnu Bhavan, Bhaktivan Vishnu Maharaj, everybody, they know him and he know them. So he took all of them to meet with Gurudev. So anyway, this is called Sadhu Sangha. As soon as I look Sadhu, whatever he says, when we feel inspiration to follow his instruction, that is called real Sadhu Sangha. Otherwise, so many sadhus here and there. We are not feeling any attachment. No? So, Kabhu Jodi Sadhu Sanghe Janite se pare. If real information we can get from the association of sadhu. We can read Bhagavatam. But Chaitanya Bhagavata, Chaitanya says, Jao Bhagavat Pado, Vaishnava Sthane. Ekanta Ashraya Karo Chaitanya Charane. Go and read Bhagavatam under the shelter of pure devotee Vaishnava Sthane. And Ekanta Ashraya Karo Chaitanya Charane. Ekanta means wholeheartedly take shelter of Lord Chaitanya. Then you can get the actual message of Srimad Bhagavatam. Otherwise not. You may have knowledge about language, but tattva, truth, it is difficult to realize. Like nowadays, still we are in this wrong trap of Guru Tattva. Why I am telling you, before I explain already. Our entire quarrel between our different unit in same sampradaya. You know, sampradayas, different unit. Our clash going on with what issue is there? Only issue Guru. You are not respecting my Guru, so whatever you say, it is bogus. Same way, they say, you are not respecting my Guru, whatever you say, bogus. Ultimately, we are just fighting. We are not following Mahaprabhu Sikshastaka third sloka, Amani. Amani means completely free from false prestige, completely free from all type of material designation, recognition. Where is that? So I inspire devotee to do it, preach for me. So everybody working accordingly. Because this is lack of understanding about Guru Tattva. Most important part to proceed our spiritual practice in the right direction. If you are not understanding proper Guru Tattva, unknowingly will commit offenses to so many Vaishnavas. And Vaishnava offense will not allow us to realize the taste of chanting. Then we will be interested with other opulence like a big temple, big congressional member, that we feel opulence for that. But sadhu's opulence, actual sadhu's opulence, rallies in chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Sadhu's opulence, to serve sadhu. Sadhu. Not like a opulent sadhu, like I invite 500 sadhu, but not able to greet in 5 sadhus. You know, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Bani Vaibhav, he says that sadhu seva, serve to sadhu is the more beneficial, therefore I invite so many sadhus, but unable to look after them properly. That tendency, which is not giving us benefit of sadhu seva. How many sadhu you are able to manage, to look after? That many numbers of sadhu you invite. Sadhu seva means nowadays, like sadhu seva means feeding them. Yeah, I'm talking about that feeding. Sadhu seva means bhandara. Nowadays, Vrindavan bhandara. So we will invite such number of sadhu to whom we can look after properly. Invite them and look after them properly. That is called real. This instruction given by Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his books in Bhaktivinoda Bani Vaibhav. Even nowadays, you can see, because we are split from our previous teacher's instruction. Previous teacher instructed us, Bhaktivinoda Thakur instructed us. Bhojan Dakshina, after feeding sadhu, if you give something, dakshina means some money as a dakshina means some Lakshmi, as a dakshina, then it is not sadhu seva, it becomes karma kando. This is instruction. We are not following. We are giving dakshina. For getting dakshina, you can see most real sadhu not gathering that place. So many gathered, who can go? I saw that our several devotees from our temple there, if there any places around Vrindavan, anybody invite us temple, they are leaving because they are getting dakshina. Am I right or wrong? I don't like to say their name, but this is fact. Everyone like that. Day by day we are degrading our Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta's, Bhaktivinoda Thakur's instruction. We are day by day are degrading with our own activities. And when our next generation look, we are doing so, then they are thinking that is actually practical, that is our Sampradaya's tradition. It is not tradition. Kapu jodi sadhu sange janite se pare ami jiva Krishna dasha. Jare maya pare. I am in this illusionary territory. Maya par. So we have to get out. We have to transcend from Maya. That is our main goal to attain. Here, Maya. There, Bhagavan. How much we run towards Maya, that much Bhagavan will be behind. How much we run towards Bhagavan, God, that much Maya will be behind us. How much we far from Maya, that much we feel happy. Close to God, become blissful. We want blissful in our life. Therefore, we have to always think about what Bhaktivinoda Thakur says. How to deliver from this condition. What condition soul? He says, if through the association of the saintly, one at any time comes to know that he is a spiritual being, saintly person can explain that, inform us. Otherwise, you are Bhagavan, if you are in Mayadevi's, Mayavadi, Aham Brahmasmi, Pragnana, so many Sanskrit slokas they will say. Once I was listening in YouTube, there is a saintly person from Pakistan. Not like a sadhu. He is giving discourses with pen codes, but all Mayavadi philosophy. And people appreciating, clapping. Because people, they are accumulating their tendency from their association. All the tendency, all the nature, all the culture people are accumulating from that association. Whatever association they are getting, their understanding accordingly established in their mind. Therefore, real Vaishnava philosophy we're supposed to explain. We're supposed to explain. Everyone should establish Vaishnava nature. Real Vaishnava nature, they never quarrel, they never criticize. So Vaishnava means they are dear to Lord. And Krishna says that person is dear who is not discriminating between enemies and friends, praising and criticism, right? Honor and dishonor. Someone honoring, feel happy, dishonoring, we are not happy. That is your tendency. So who is keeping the vision, equal vision? Only that person. Only that person, they become dear. That is Vaishnava. Real Vaishnava, they are not discriminating. Therefore, Vaishnava quality, 26 quality, you can look, then you can see the quality. Kripalu, Akritaddo, Shaktashara, Shama. Shama means equal vision. Kripalu, Akritadda, Shaktashara, Shama. Equal vision. No discrimination. So anyway, already time over. But tomorrow I will talk about, because I am not finishing the reading, that 49. 49. So big, I am not finishing the one chapter, Baba. I don't know how many. Hey, आज का तो किसी नहीं